Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch as a Labubu doll. So first we're going to get started with the nose on the top, and we're going to arch this around and then down on the right. Connecting this underneath now, bringing this back around and up on the right hand side. Let's draw in the eyes around this. On the right hand side, we're going to bring this line up and down. And then we're just going to follow this shape on the left hand side, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, let's bring this line from the inside of our nose, connecting that over on the side. Let's focus on our left eye first. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. In the top right hand corner now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And then for our eyelash on the top, curving this out, back down, just coloring that in black. Let's move over on the right hand side now. We're gonna arch this line up, over, and then curving that up slightly. From that corner, we're gonna curve this back down and then across. And then now from here, we're just gonna connect that, curving this at the corner, bringing this up, down, and then back up on the side. Let's come underneath now and draw in at the top of the mouth, where our head's gonna fall underneath. So we're gonna start in the center, curving this up, down, and over. Starting back on this line, we're going to replicate that, bringing this down, and then back up on the right. Let's draw in the teeth now. So from the center, we're gonna draw in a small triangle on the left and right hand side. Let's step across again, making this slightly smaller as we come over on both sides. And then again, just one more time as we come out towards the corner. Let's move underneath and draw in our eyes now. So underneath the teeth on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing this around and then up on the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Bringing that back up towards the top. Let's close off the top now with a small arch line from left to right in between both of the teeth there. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in another nose by creating a sideways oval. Let's move in and draw in the rest of the eyes now. So drawing in a nice big oval from the corner, we're gonna curve this around and then down. Let's step further in again, replicating that. Let's move in towards the top now. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of our eye. And now moving down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, just making that slightly smaller. Now we're gonna have her holding in Scrump. So we're gonna draw in at the top of the hair first so we can draw in the head behind. So we're gonna come directly down and we're gonna curve this out and then in the middle. We're gonna move directly down from this for the bow, drawing in a small circle. And then on both sides of that, we're just going to draw in an arch line, bringing this around and then back in. Now as we come up beside that, we're gonna curve this out and then down. And then we'll do the same on the left-hand side, bringing this out and then back in. Before we move down and draw in the rest of Scrump and the body, we're gonna focus on the head first. So for the mouth behind this, we're gonna draw in a curved line coming up on the left-hand side. And then we're gonna replicate this over on the right. Now from here for the teeth, like we did above, stepping beside this, drawing in the letter V. We're going to continue to move across, replicating that as we come all the way up on the side. Just going to do that 2 more times on the right, and then just 1 more time on the left. Let's close off the inside of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in on both sides from the corner of our mouth. And now let's move around this and close off the rest of the head. So starting in the center, We're going to arch this around on a diagonal past our eyes, bringing that down on the side. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to continue to bring this across, around, and then down, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's continue to close this off now, arching this around and then back in on the side. Let's draw in the bow up above. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. On the top, on a diagonal, bringing this around and then in on both sides. And now from that point, again, in the middle, just curving this back around and then down. Now in the center, we're going to curve this around and then in. Let's move behind and draw in our ears now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up towards the top, and then we'll do the same over on the left. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this around and bringing that in towards the side of the head. On the top, we're going to curve this out, in, and then back in towards the top of our ear. And now on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line back over and across on the side. Now for the antennas behind, up above, arching this up and then down behind our bow. And then we're going to move behind this even further, bringing this line back down towards the top of our head. Now we're going to move down and draw in the arms. So as we come over on the left, we're going to curve this around and out. We'll do the same as we come across on the right. Now from here, let's draw in the claws. So we're going to draw in 3 triangles as we come down our hand. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now from here, closing off the center of the stomach, we're just going to do 2 curved lines from the corner of our claws. Let's continue the antennas behind our arms now. So we're going to, on both sides, curve this around and then up. And then starting from that line, we're going to curve this back around and then in towards the side of our arm. Now let's continue to close off Scrump's head. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same on the left. We're going to come underneath in the middle now, drawing in a small curved line from left to right. For the eyes, we're going to draw in a circle on the left. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now we're going to draw in a cross, so we're going to bring this up and down, and we're just going to follow this, creating a cross in the center of the eye, drawing in all of our lines on a diagonal. And then on our right eye, we're just going to draw in 4 small circles. For the mouth, we're going to draw in slightly wavy lines. So you're going to bring this line up, down, and back across. And then we're going to draw in 4 diagonal lines as we come over to the right. Let's draw on the neck now. So we're going to curve this around and then back up on the side. Let's come down on a diagonal now, drawing in an oval on a slight diagonal for the left foot. And then we'll replicate that for the right foot. Closing off the body, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines, bringing those up on either side. And then we're going to close this off with a small curved line in the middle. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the top of the button. And then we're going to do the same as we move underneath. And then like we did for our left eye here, we're going to draw in another cross. So we're going to bring this down, drawing in all of these lines on a diagonal, 4 in total. Joining that together. Let's move over and draw in the feet now for Angel. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. On both sides, just connecting that from the bottom of the arm. And then moving back in towards the center, we're going to again draw in another circle. Like we did on our hands now, we're going to draw in 3 triangles as we come down for the claws on both sides. And then lastly, just closing off Scrump's arms, we're just going to draw in a curved line in towards our foot on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Angel from Lilo and Stitch as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.